Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to know the temperature of my GPU. We start by opening the Task Manager. To do this, you can right-click on the Start menu and click on it. Next, click on the Performance tab. After that, we are going to go to the GPU tab. Finally, we will be able to see the information regarding our NVIDIA graph, including its current temperature. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.